Hey,
Hey,
Hi.
what's going on?
you a construction guy?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh, sweet. That's some
he's digging out my
construction.
pool.
Oh,
yep.
nice. I got some work for you later.
All right, sounds good.
Thanks. Oh my god, you got high.
Yeah, last time Mr. K hired me.
Where's your K iron?
Yeah, I was getting chased by the cops, and he pulls up. He's like, "Hey, can I get your number?" I said, "Yeah, okay." All right, this is my house.
This one?
Yep. All right, guys. I'll see you on the other side. I got to my house.
All right, sounds good, man.
Good night.
Wait, going to bed?
That's not what he means.
Oh wait, wrong house. Next house. Yeah, no, not what I mean. I got to my house for my house robbery. I went to the wrong house though. Oops.
You were in the wrong house though.
Next house. One up.
Did you not take your itinerary first? Jesus.
I don't know what the hell he's doing. What the fuck? This is the wrong house too. Which one is it?
Try the one across here? Check your map.
House it is, Molly. Jesus.
My map is massive.
It's probably gonna be the one I check.
I'd hope it'd be the last one you check. I wouldn't keep checking after you find it.
Found it.
It's gotta be this one. Got it.
You got cops?
Yeah, probably.
Alright, you found it? Okay. Do you want me to try and distract them if they come?
Nah, it's up to you. I purposely let the alarm trip, so. You can let me know when they're here.
Will do.
If they show up. Ow. The rusty trombone? Nah, look it up on Urban Dictionary, trust. I know I'm right, though. I don't need to look it up. The cop's not gonna show up. Jesus. No, I'm right. The cops are just not gonna show up? This is cooked. No. I refuse. Damn, I'm kind of surprised they didn't show up. They were showing up when I got the alarm off. What the fuck?
It's a scuffed house. It's a scuffed house.
We need you to put that equipment
Huh?
away now.
Huh?
Hands up.
What?
Hands
Ah!
up.
We gotta go, Wally. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta
Come
go.
on, no content.
I'm going for cuffs.
Stop! You're scaring me.
I'm getting in the bulldozer.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Fuck him up, bro.
Stop it!
Pull it over.
No, I don't want to. You're scaring me.
You scared the people whose house you broke into. You're stealing people's stuff.
They weren't even home.
That's not even the. That doesn't make it acceptable.
They weren't scared. I'm terrified.
You're a real piece of shit.
No!
What speed are you on?
Idiot. You are a piece of shit. You robbed my car.
He was
You're
on
liable for
South
damages.
Milton.
I'm on South.
No, that's not true. You don't have no proof.
I watched you do it.
Oh, is that gonna hold up in court?
100%. And you resisted.
Alright, I see
Give
his
it up
sirens
now.
heading south.
Before this stuff turns into a serious incident.
What do you mean a serious incident? This is as serious as it gets.
Did you ever see the Bulldozer incident from 2001?
No. Oh, actually, yes, I did.
Yeah. We don't want that here in Los Santos.
Are they gonna spike strip me? There's it's treads. It won't work. It's treads. It won't work.
It's the first time for everything.
Oh, they missed.
I think they're about to pass Tequila Law, maybe?
It is. Yeah.
Yeah, they're good. No, that went south.
Ah!
Give it up.
Killdozer V2.
Yes.
Ah! Get out of my way.
Alright, I see them.
Stop!
The bike cop tried to spike you, by the way. I want you to know that.
Listen up to those come back. You better pack it in. Alright?
I'm getting away.
This fucking bullshit.
You're not gonna get me. She's crazy!
Oh.
You're just trying to, like,
Go to
run
10,
up
bro.
and taser him out. It's so funny.
He's
Alright,
pulling on us.
southbound on
He's pulling on
Rockford
us.
Drive.
I'm gonna do a crazy jump that you guys aren't gonna be able to follow.
Hope it's into the fucking ocean.
Don't!
Go road.
William, if you escape,
Don't!
I'll give you 5K.
Don't!
Yeah, I'll give you 5K too.
Huh?
They're going for tasers, bro.
The hell?
Ah. Racing lines!
He's just trying to get to his job.
I've got racing lines in a dozer.
Morning.
I don't want to hurt you! Please!
Morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
I'm going a little soul.
Hey, Liam, eventually she's gonna run out of taser prongs.
I know.
That's true.
I got a dumbass like trying to lock pick my fucking passenger seat.
Becca! There's a roadblock ahead. What do I do? What do I do? This goes 12 miles an hour. I can't move. Oh no! Oh no! Oh fuck!
It's not a very big window.
Thank you so much for the 5 gifted. $60. No. 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 Ah, evasive maneuvers.
I can hear you pick the car from here. It's hilarious.
Stop!
I'm actually evading.
Stop!
the traffic
You're
laws
just
more
hurting
so now
yourselves!
than I ever have.
It's not gonna work!
Detective?
We're watching Liam go on a super intense chase right now with the cops.
Guys, please!
Actually nailed by name.
Let me live!
After you get off the bike, Liam, just pick up the bike and take it with you, man.
Oh my god, yes! Scoop it up!
Probably blow up in your bucket though, so just be careful.
She's being... She's being...
Ah! You're making me nervous! You're making me nervous! Not gonna lie, she hits that tase, I'll be kind of impressed.
These cop dicks.
I didn't mean to, I didn't mean to!
I'm still gonna follow them. Fuck them.
Oh! Oh, fuck.
Did you blow them up, Liam?
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck!
Being chased.
The penumbra.
Wanna pick up?
Yeah, mobile unit.
Oh my god!
Tase. Going for cuffs.
Leave the area. Leave the area,
I
please.
warned you to leave the area, Penumbra. Get the fuck out
Leave
of
the
here.
area.
He's resisted.
Get that penumbra. Don't let him get into it.
Fucking thing!
I'm out of cartridges.
Yeah! Yeah! Go, 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 go!
Oh, sorry. Alright, now we got proper chase going on.
Yeah, should we gotta try to come spook him up in this piece of shit car or what?
I got scooped in my FF, and she's lost them already. She makes a couple turns.
Let's go, Tally!
What did you blow up exactly?
I tried to pick up the bike, and they saw you. Never mind, cops are on us. Oh, wait, actually, hold on. We might have done it. I tried to pick up the motorcycle cop, her bike, and then I ran it over, and then it blew up, and then the bulldozer blew up.
Hey, I told you it was probably gonna blow up.
Yeah, well, it seemed like a good idea at the time anyway.
Liam, we need your services.
I
All
think
right.
he might have been kidnapped.
I am north of Vinewood PD on Elgin Ave.
Okay, we're
They are
coming.
headed westbound on Ennis Boulevard, out of heading towards Autos.
Okay, we got two cops on a bike now, man. Two cars on a bike, man. Two cars on a bike.
Behind you. Alright, guys being chased. Pick a place where you want to be picked up.
We have three cars on a bike. Three cars on a bike.
Okay, tell directions, comms, calm down.
We're northbound Poplar, west, the Scoochie.
Heading towards what?
MRPD.
Okay, there we calm down.
I don't know what's going
You
on.
calm down, man. You calm down.
You calm down.
All right, guys, I've got room in my bucket for at least 3. I'll lift you up.
We're right. Northbound Strawberry.
Landmarks.
No better by now. And I don't can tell you're next to me again, baby.
We're northbound Elgin, heading to Vinewood PD.
I'm looking for a bulldozer.
Where is Bulldozer at?
Need help?
I'm literally in the intersection right now.
Get up! Get up!
Hey guys. Hey.
What happened?
I don't know. They want you, bro. You want to hop in the bucket?
Dickhead.
How am I supposed to help you? I'll try to lift you up, I guess.
Oh, hey guys.
Hey guys. Hey.
Hi.
How's it going? It's fucking criminals, am I right? Uh-oh.
Rose is here. You might want to run.
Oh, fuck. So nobody's coming for a ride in the bucket?
I'll come.
Bro, oh, there you go.
Hey!
You don't.
I'm coming up the tractor,
Don't
heading
blow up
Elgin
my
northbound
bike
by.
again.
I didn't mean to! Rose came up to me and she said something about how I shouldn't blow up her bike again.
Okay, all right, listen. You two, cause chaos in 3. What the fuck? I thought you were the tractor.
How you doing? How you doing,
Here,
guys?
give me the key to the tractor. Open it.
Want to cause chaos in the tractor, or you want to stay in here?
I think we're okay.
Come back. I need the keys to the tractor.
Sorry, I'm here for my ride. Excuse me.
Tally, please, Tally.
Tally, get the keys to him in the tractor.
Give me the keys,
Keys to the
Tally.
tractor. Keys to the
Tally,
tractor. Go, 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 go.
Tractor?
Oh my God!
Don't
Take
kick the tractor.
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Give him hell.
I'm ready to go. Let's go.
Hey, Liz, a big piece of equipment and head towards the city.
How you doing,
Coming for me,
Brian?
man. Come back.
Did you guys just pass me?
You're so fast!
Guys, we
I
can
think
do
a
it.
big vehicle, like what? Construction
So
vehicle?
just something. Just
Like a
something.
construction or a tractor or something.
Or we have a tractor
Yeah,
and
even a golf cart.
a bulldozer.
Go.
Country
Yeah,
road,
golf cart then.
take me home to a place.
They're gonna shoot me, man.
All right, I'm gonna. I gotta get out of here.
Virginia,
You want to hop in the bucket with Tally?
my mama.
Man.
No,
I got a
they're
grip time, man.
they're
I'll
shit
set
in the
up for
trunk. We
fire.
need to get the shit out of the trunk.
Yeah.
I'll set
All right,
up
we're
for
gonna
fire,
go hit
man.
Willie special. Set up for fire block.
Yeah, firebox, Molly, firebox.
Yeah, we'll be there in a year.
Need my megaphone. That's what I really
The
need.
cop on the red, and he's not following me, so I'm good.
I'll just lay here.
Is that hurting or no?
Wait. No, you're.
It's gonna take me a bit, man.
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
know. We have to somehow last for 40 minutes for you to.
I'm not gonna lie, this is going 20 miles an hour.
I got another Vinewood house.
Woo! Sir and ma'ams, we are trying to find tow rope, okay?
Oh.
Don't worry, reach type of speed.
Oh, there is a semi truck. That'd be awesome fun. Oh
Get
God!
crazy, get wild.
You want the semi?
Oh, semi truck kind of nice. Oh, I like this right now.
It's the Jersey Shore, bitch.
Oh.
On us right now? Somehow we
I'm gonna
lost
be
the
there
other
in
two.
3 minutes.
Get crazy, get 'em up. Run! Stop!
Think you're gonna hit your head on the? Nah, it's too high up. Oh.
Oh shit! I got. Is there a Renault?
We're gonna hit the Willie special at 65 miles an hour. It ain't gonna go well.
I thought you were doing the fire block.
I believe in you.
Oh,
We're waiting for you guys to get there.
I got a golf cart.
Fuck yeah.
Golf cart? Hell yeah.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah, I'll go. I'll ride with you in the golf cart. Come by.
Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna split everybody up. We're gonna get somebody in
fire
the
block.
golf cart, and then we're gonna get a couple people in the dozer bucket.
we didn't make it.
I got a Vinewood.
Yeah, we out this bitch.
Wait, you made it?
Wait, what? You gotta wait?
Oh, we did not make it, but the cops did.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
So you juked them
So,
by just being bad.
are you going back to Vinewood for another robbery or what?
Ow! You just
Oh,
ran
where
over
you
me.
at?
Oh.
We're going to Vinewood for another house robbery. Hold on.
Quick little smoke break here right now. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, we.
Gonna stop off at Autos to get some gas.
Yeah, I bet this thing's low. Probably guzzles a tank.
The fuck?
I got somebody on me. Oh, how he found me, man.
It's a
All right,
wonder.
Hey, we out this bitch. We're going to the next house.
They're pursuing me, man.
Oh,
I ran over my head. I think I'll just sit up here for
I'm picking up in the golf cart.
Perfect, where are you?
Country road.
Oh, what's the clips?
I belong.
Oh, where's the clip?
West Virginia.
Yeah, that's where the golf course is.
I'm gonna get to Pillbox.
Country
Okay.
road. Everyone
Like,
would
in
leave.
probably 10 minutes, I'll be there.
All right, Liz, get volley. We're going to the next job.
Shoot, motherfucker.
Okay, I'm on my way.
What if
It's
we
a
sold
float
the
cart.
Ow.
So
Ow. Okay, we're good. We're fine. We're fine. We're
Huh?
fine. Kitty. I am being my true redneck self and driving that tractor right here.
There's
Right over here.
the tractor. Garrett, head pop. I'm getting gas at UK Oil.
it's near there.
I don't need help. Volley needs help.
I'm getting gas at Autos.
Oh, it's there. My Pillbox right now. I got 2 units on me.
You got
You know how
two.
fast a golf cart goes?
I'm in a goddamn tractor.
She's a trap star.
What up?
Thank you.
Yeah, I got 3 units on me.
She's a back star.
She's a runner, she's a trap
Oh, is it?
star.
Find a bike off.
Uh-oh.
You.
What we doing here?
Uh-oh.
Chilling.
Uh-oh.
You see me?
I'm ready.
We gotta go.
I paid for the last few.
Why'd you go that way?
Auf Wiedersehen. Sayonara.
Wait, what do you mean?
Adieu.
I was in front of you. I'm on a.
Ow.
Just make a right. No,
I think the bucket was working out better.
towards
I think the
Pink
bucket was
Cage.
working out better. We'll go
You,
with the
you
bucket.
see me?
Yeah, I see you, I see you.
Excuse us, sorry, Mr. Toe person. B is coming through. BRB.
Sorry.
BCB.
Where you at, Volley?
The golf cart.
You're in the golf cart? Okay.
Going west occupation.
West occupation.
Landmarks. Ooh, we got a cop on us too. We are heading westbound
Oh,
past
shit.
Autos.
Yeah, you can pass.
Ma'am,
I'll go to the
you
side.
can
You can pass.
pull over. Go around.
Go around.
Alright, you guys
Go
worry about
around.
yourselves.
Go
man.
around.
Go around.
Motherfucker.
Go
Huh?
around.
You can go around. I'm on the side.
Yeah, we'll go around.
All right. Sorry, me and Garrett head pop, so I was just waiting for him. We can help.
Go
Just-
around.
There's so much room for you to go around.
There's so much room for you to
Look
go
at all of that
around.
room.
Look at this. 1, 2, 3. 3 lanes of traffic.
Do you guys
only
need a
two.
pickup, or are you good?
Huh?
No, we got cop on us. We're by Autos heading westbound towards the city.
So I just need to know if we're going through with this house robbery or if we're picking you all up.
Oh, I'll go for the house robbery.
Okay.
Okay,
Man,
enough
please,
said, man.
just go around. You're fine to go. You're clear.
There's nothing stopping you.
There's literally nothing stopping you. But,
Are you guys
we,
in the golf
however,
course
had,
volley?
had to make it to the construction sites, okay?
Right next to it.
I swear I just saw Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Is he looking
You
in a
see
mirror?
You see Simbo?
No, I saw a G-Wagon.
Guys, there's 4 civilian
You are-
followed you.
Just
There's too much going
get,
on.
Just go around.
Right, see, I'm an active 18 with a bulldozer, which is the same person who left the Berg with beforehand and blew
What?
up his bike.
That doesn't sound like
Yo,
something
you
I would
ain't got
do.
the skills, man.
Sounds like libel. To be honest, slander.
Thank you so much for the follow, Ludmila Zacharias, I think.
Look, all I know is these construction sites have been going on for 3 years, and we are here to end it. Okay? These buildings need to be built.
Can I have a 77 on westbound Howard Avenue right now?
Just as long as it's not Rose. Oh, hey, look what I found.
Hey. Tractor.
You want to get in it? We split up. We split up here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, as long as it's not like hurt, you know.
Yeah, you should be fine.
I did kick. Oh, thank you.
Yep. Have a good one.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, kind sir.
Hold on, I gotta get my chase music on.
Dip, Willie, dip.
What do you mean dip?
I believe in you.
Godspeed. Ah! Was that an approved bit?
What channel are you gonna listen to? The country one or the
shit.
rap one?
Uh-oh, they got backup.
They got backup.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
They
Hold
never
on,
expect
we'll do-
this. Okay, I go right, you go left. They never expect it.
Okay, you
It's
ready?
the classic.
Okay, you
Yeah,
go
yeah,
right,
yeah,
I
yeah,
go
yeah,
left.
yeah.
Yeah.
3, 2, engage. Oh, fuck,
no,
they
they're
both stayed
after
on me.
you.
Yeah,
BCP.
fucking going to you fucking motorbike.
Take to the
That
alleyway.
was an accident. If that was me, that would have been an accident.
Andrew's uphill.
Where you guys at? I got 2 on me.
Look, I caught up. Just the hell.
Can I get a push up, please? Push. Oh, thank you.
Push.
Appreciate
No,
that.
I'm not trying to ram you. I'm trying to ram him. Here,
I'm going so fast.
I got you.
Oh fuck!
I
A
got
tractor's not meant to go this fast. Guys, it's not gonna work. It's just not gonna work. You did that, not me. Ouch.
I hear cop cars. Oh, I see now.
Is that you on the sidewalk?
Yeah, Garrett took a nap. I'm waiting for him to come back. I gotta hide. This car's wanted.
Ah.
Think you'll lose him?
There you go. I got you. Ben.
Yeah,
I got you, Ben.
yeah, I got this.
There we go. Next time we don't go up his.
Oh,
Next time. I tried to. I'm sorry.
how fast do you think
Are
this
you
tractor
for
can
some-
go?
At least 30. Go.
That's southbound.
You're just hurting your own cars.
You're lucky that we haven't fucking shot you for blowing up Rose's bike.
Shot me. That was an accident.
It was not an accident.
Okay, picking it up was what was the plan. Blowing it up was not the
Volley, you get caught.
plan.
Who's the tractor, by the way? Is that Sally?
Huh?
The tractor.
I don't know who that is. They said I'm lucky they haven't shot me.
I mean, you did blow up a cop bike.
Yeah.
How are you slower going downhill?
That's fair.
I don't know.
This is possible.
Listen, I'm a very determined man. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I'll sacrifice for you. No! Oh no! Oh no! Technically, he doesn't have tires, he just has rails.
Who was that?
I don't know. Hey!
Hey, where's the golf cart at?
What are you doing with the bulldozer? Stop it.
I don't want to stop it.
You guys want to
There's
pick you
so
up?
much.
You guys want to dip in this thing?
There's so much construction that needs to be done in this city. It's now time that I step up.
Hey, Liam.
This building.
Oh! Oh! You see? You see how they treat their cars? You're just doing the same thing.
Oh god, you smoke?
No, I'm good. Guys, it's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Excuse us.
It's not worth it.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing this.
Why would you do this? Why would you do
It's not worth it. Oh, fuck. Wait, are you okay? I don't want to hurt anybody. I don't want to hurt anybody. Get back in the car. Get back in the car.
There you go.
Oh, he's running so fast. You're running so fast. What are you made out of?
He mounted you.
What do they feed you?
There we go.
Ah! Stop!
We just want to get the construction done
Stop!
in the city, okay?
I can't stop!
Right there.
Guys, I can't stop!
Right here. Oh my god.
Okay, you're gonna make it blow up, guys.
I can't stop!
There you go. There you go. I got you. I got you. Oh my god.
Ah,
Sir, you're not helping you. Okay, let me help you out.
I'm so glad Bass
Top
is
car
in
left, the
this.
other ones are broken.
Oh, 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 oh. I'm not the one that's interfering here. We are trying to help this city.
It's Brian Knight and Sam Bass.
You don't interfere. You stop doing crime. Hey, we're trying to help.
No, you're having a bigger wrong thing. We need this bulldozer back.
Ah.
Hey, hey.
Oh shit, Lee Nova, get out of here, bruh!
Oh,
That guy's a criminal, by the way.
Hey, we need your help.
It's a hardcore.
He hopped on the bike! Is that okay? Is that fair? Whoa, fuck!
Oh, gee.
Oh, what's hurting? What's hurting?
Don't do that! Oh my god, why would you do that?
Shoot that fucker. You run him over, I will shoot you. I'm gonna make that really clear.
I didn't mean to run him over. I was trying to interfere. I always hit me real hard.
Oh god, they're shooting.
Get in the bucket! Get in the bucket! Get in the bucket! Quick, 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 quick! Dip, 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 dip! Dip, 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 dip! Oh fuck, she's in the bucket! She's in the bucket! Oh fuck! Oh, I'm kidnapping her!
Oh, if you guys need, we're across the street. She's being cut to the
Go,
bike.
go, 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 go! Yeah.
What the
That's
fuck?
the bucket.
Hell yeah, Maya, good work, good work. We got 195
I think
up there, good work.
I think I'm popping! I think I'm head popping!
No.
Oh wait, I'm good.
Oh, oh.
Stay up there, stay up there, stay up there, stay up there. I'm
Oh,
gonna get
Jesus
him out,
Christ.
get him out.
Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me.
I'm gonna get him out, don't you worry.
Uh,
I am not a terrorist.
Hey, stop that
Get around
bulldozer,
oh
will ya?
shit! Ah!
Get around.
Oh fuck!
My butt.
I can't get the air.
This is my. You're about to lose me.
What do they feed you? You're so fast!
Sorry, this is a lawful order. What the fuck?
This is a lawful order.
Is this okay?
I'm sorry, this is a lawful order.
You're a hero.
Get in, Liam.
I got a dip!
Resisting. Get the fuck back here!
Enter that car.
Get in, Liam, get in!
Go, go, dip, boys, dip! Dip, boys, dip!
Aaron, get out of the way, Aaron!
Just some good old boys.
Yo, Lenova a whole ass op, by the way.
What do you do?
He was fucking hammering he was hammering the shit.
What?
He hammered the tractor, broke it.
That's...
I'm calling him.
All right, I'll pull it over, don't hit me.
Shut up, Aaron!
Count your fucking days, bitch. Count your fucking days. On site, on site.
Got his ass.
Take this, Aaron! Hey, 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 hey!
Why fuck Jimmy Bruner? I don't know, bro.
Here we go again, boys.
Ain't no way we're hitting him with it again.
Good luck.
What's that cop down there for?
Good luck, Aaron. You're gonna need it.
Take this, Aaron! Take this!
Wait,
All you!
Goodbye to your ankles.
none of us have any handcuffs, huh?
I mean, are we gonna be going
I
fast
don't
enough
think
with
so.
3 of us?
All right, we're probably going
She
back
keeps
too.
boosting us.
Aaron, give us a boost!
We'll probably see her there.
Give us a boost! Yeah,
So
do
we're
it!
needed.
What's up?
What's up?
Oh, she fucked it up!
Oh fuck.
Ain't no way,
Oh,
Aaron. Ain't
that's
no
not
way.
gonna work.
Take that, Aaron.
Ain't no way. That's what we needed.
She lost her bumper. She's not more aerodynamic.
Got an idea. It's a bad idea, but I got one.
Reverse Tommy T?
I don't think you can.
Oh, I like it. Oh. Oh.
Damn, she wasn't even gonna go for it. She's so far back.
Yeah.
She ain't biting shit. She ain't even hungry.
I got a hammer? Oh, yeah, I have a hammer. Where's my hammer at?
Yeah. Do it. Fuck yeah, baby. Oh shit!
And she's on our wheels.
She's good. Wait, she's out. She's out. She's out. We're
The
out.
car's out?
She got out of the car.
Oh, ain't no way, bro.
Jay Quick,
no
thank
way
you
we
for the
need to get
5
3 times
gifted.
this.
I didn't realize how low the time was getting. Yeah, thank you.
No, drive right past her.
Guys, can we get some love in the chat, please?
You take a right, we're gonna drive right past her. To the right.
Okay.
What up?
shit.
Oh, fuck. El Bozo, Rip Bozo.
Oh shit.
Just keys in the car, Liam.
Oh yeah, good call.
You gonna hit the Tommy D?
Fire block, baby.
Fire block,
You're not gonna have the speed for that.
I don't need a block, bruh. You gotta believe.
No, you're not gonna have the
Hit him
speed
with
to
the
make over the
twirl.
wall, bruh.
Spin him a twirl, bro. Spin him a twirl.
It's okay.
Wait, easiest 5K in my life. What the fuck?
Who said
Once
that?
Fry, thank you so much for the
Nova.
500 bits.
That is cooked. Just some ghetto boys.
Yo, on God though, I'm going after Lenova after this.
Fair enough.
We zoom in now.
Becca, thank you for the
We are about to
5
hit 80.
gifted.
We're fucking top
They're gonna work, dude.
Oh, Aaron's in front of us.
Oh fuck. Sick drift. Yeah, wait. Yeah, you know that fence block thing in this area? Do you know how to do that?
Yeah, we passed it. Yeah.
You think we try?
We
Can't
do
hurt.
cinnamon swirl, bro.
Oh, bet.
To the left, ain't it?
Is it?
Cinnamon swirl is. I'll mark it.
It was back there.
Oh,
Dude,
no,
it's
to our
foggy
right.
as shit.
To our right, actually.
Yeah, it's
yeah.
right. I was gonna say it's over here somewhere.
Oi!
Bass's chat? Hell yeah.
Hey, kill us, bro!
Hey, was unnecessary from him.
I didn't do it.
I said
From him, from him, from him.
I said from
What's
him.
his problem?
Want this guy in the back.
No,
What?
Oh, wait, hold on. If we give him to you, will you let us go?
The fuck?
Money?
Yeah,
5K is yours.
Yeah, 5K is yours, Aaron. 5K is yours.
Is it sub 10 minutes? No. Sub is 3, I think. Oh!
Stop this harassment.
Aunt Renee!
You are being illegal.
This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, he's on their side now. Oh fuck.
Ain't no way, dude. This man's a psycho.
Wait, he's gotta get back in. He locked it. He locked it.
Yeah, he did.
Go. He locked himself out. Thank you for the
Not only that, but I
19
didn't move the car
months.
away from you guys.
Hello?
Wait, rented bison 5 to 1 of the cops? That's fucked up too. What's up, Ava? I might have an answer.
Guys, let's get a bunch of love in the chat, please. No, I think his sub is it should be 3 minutes.
Do that.
Unless I fucked up real bad.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm in
Oh
the
yeah.
middle of like,
Oh yeah.
police chase. Yeah.
Oh my god. They fucked it up. There's no fucking way. Wait. One made it. Turns. Make some turns.
Did they make it?
Yeah, one made it.
Take a hard right.
Oh my god, what the fuck blew up?
Take a hard right. Nope, not. Okay, that's left.
Hey Renee, thank you so much for the 5 gifted.
They'll never see us parked here at... Take them all. Fuck, there's no other cars to blend in with. What is this shit?
We go back for VCV times 5?
Let's fucking go. So this world worked again.